going to grab it in the middle, pinch it, and I'm going to twist it to the left. I'm going to keep twisting it left. It takes a lot more strength for when you are using a sweatshirt or when you're tie-dyeing a sweatshirt. But when you're doing like a t-shirt or just like a pillowcase, it's going to be a lot easier because it's lighter weight. And this part it gets a little more difficult because the sleeves and this is how it's gonna. This is how it should look, like this in a circle. Now I'm just gonna put it on it. I try to do like a star. Now I'm just putting the rubber bands all over it. You can do whatever type of pattern you want with it. My advice is to do a star. One more. Do one more down the middle. Like this. You have the back up. Yeah. Now comes the fun part. I'm gonna put on some gloves. Next, you're gonna put the water in the tie-dye bottles. And if you want it to be a deeper green, use less water. If you want it to be like a really light green, use a lot of water, put a lot of water in the bottle. It depends on how dark and how light you want the color to look. So if you want it darker, less water. If you want it lighter, more water. And I put a little bit more water than I wanted to. Also shake the bottle. I'm doing blue and purple because it's like the exact opposite of my other sweatshirt that I made. And I just want this to be like a darker color shirt. Now I'm putting the color on it. That's like my favorite part. Now I'm going to put it in a plastic bag and put it in there for 6 to 8 hours. That is what the unicorn tie-dye kit told me. But I usually do the later amount. I do like 8 hours just to make sure. And I think it is that like if you want the darker, if you want it to be this color, you should wait that's the longest amount you should wait. If you want lighter, wait like 6 hours. So it's about how much of the color you want this to look like. If you want this to be darker, wait 8 hours. Want to be lighter, wait 6 hours. I love it. I tie-dye it, and I tie the bag, and I just take it outside. So like, we put a timer on for 8 hours, and then done with that one. This is what the box looks like after all that. Oh. I take it outside, and for it to have this 8 hours outside for the sun, and yeah, I think it's probably gonna be done around like nighttime. I hope so. I will show you guys then what it looks like in bed. But yeah, just waiting 8 hours to go. So here's the reveal. First, I wasn't gonna do this on camera, but then I was like, I think it's kind of interesting how it looks, and like, I don't know, maybe you guys will like to see me taking the rubber bands off of it. I don't know, it's like so pretty. It reminds me of like mermaid colors. And the kit said the mermaid kit that I got, the unicorn kit that I got from Amazon, said that you should just cut the rubber bands off. I think that's a waste of rubber bands. I think you can reuse these. I don't think nothing's wrong with these. But yeah, this one turned out pretty good. I don't know, it's like kind of like red spots in it too. I don't think I used color red. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like. This is like really good. I love it. Really like it. And I say yes. Do this with gloves because look at my hands. This never happened where like this happened. But yeah. Do this with gloves. Getting everywhere. Okay. And now I'm just getting the water off of it. I'm just washing it so that some of the colors will fall off. And yeah, a lot of the colors are coming off.